Okay, Bula everybody. This is Fred coming to you straight out of Nandi, Fiji, welcoming you this lovely evening, this lovely night. We hope you guys are ready for another week because it just started. And it's a real pleasure for me to be sharing with you 5 facts everyone should know about my business. So I'll get stuck straight into it. So this is fact number 1 on 5 facts everyone should know about my business. So fact number 1, my business sells financial education. This is my product. Our trade academy is built on many years of learnings in trading on the world financial markets. The founders have partnered with their most successful, loyal students who have created an amazing, successful lifestyle trading online. Here is our vision. Founded by ambitious traders, the company's mission focuses on educating the masses on the power of the financial markets and providing a platform for our customers to achieve financial freedom. Our vision is to operate a platform that promotes financial and character growth. We want to revolutionize entrepreneurship by providing a vehicle for success and professional mentorship in the trading industry. Hi Lemba, how are you? I'll be doing a shout out at the end. So, fact number 2 on 5 facts you should know about my business. We market our product using word of mouth. You just can't beat a personal testimony. Using the internet just amplifies your message. The company used to market normally, like most companies do, before changing their marketing strategies. Now they do not pay to advertise in newspapers, magazines, TV, nor the internet. They let their students, myself included, tell our families and friends about it. And why wouldn't you? I mean, if you were successfully learning a course on making money, especially in a time like this, wouldn't you want to share it? I would. I am. So instead of paying those advertisers, our company compensates us, the students, handsomely for our referrals. They even set up our own personal back office website to manage our own marketing business. They provide all the training and tools to make sure you succeed. All that's required from us is a willingness to learn and a desire to succeed. Pretty cool, huh? So fact number 3 that everyone should know about my business is that you can choose to be a trader, a marketer, or both. I have chosen both. The skill set I'm learning will be with me forever. The tools that I have been given to use to succeed is in my laptop, in my phone. It's mine forever. I've had to upskill myself in this new era we're in. I'm going to be completely financially independent from our government handouts, as if there's any, our superannuation grants. Hey, that's my money, I'll take it. And the pittance of interest our banks give us. Hey Zik, how are you, bro? Yet they're involved, the government, the banks, the super, they're all involved in using our money in our bank accounts to trade in the same financial markets and profit from it. They're profiting from our own money, guys. And I said, if they can do it, well, why can't I? So I found people who were already successful at it. Thank God they were willing to teach me. They actually have a school, a trade academy. I'm now setting up my retirement with constant income, the passive kind. You can do the same thing too. Fact number 4 on the 5 facts that everybody should know about my business is that it requires work. We, all of us, are no strangers to hard work. We know we have to work to eat, except this time we can start working for ourselves. You can do it in your spare time, part-time, or full-time. You can work on building your business while you still have a job. Don't wait like most of us who have now lost our jobs to be looking around. They teach us to be competent traders in 2 weeks flat. However, our trading community keeps learning. They teach us how to compound our income. Einstein said it beautifully. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who does not understand it, pays it. He who understands it, earns it. This word-of-mouth marketing model is known by a few names. Multi-level marketing, or MLM, network marketing, or NM, networking. It is also called a pyramid scheme by some uneducated. Let me educate you in one sentence. What they're referring to is that illegal scheme of cash changing hands with no product or service. This slander is also based on the many that have tried legal network marketing businesses and have failed to learn from it. Their inconclusive reports seem to have gathered a mass following. Misery loves company. However, it is not their fault. They were roped in using promises of millions of dollars for doing almost nothing. Just join, they said. Look at that person. They're young. They're retired. They're traveling the world. Get your 4 and it's free, they said. What they forgot to mention is it's a business that requires work, just like any other business. It's not called network marketing for nothing. I mean, Robert Kiyosaki says, the richest people on earth look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for a job. He also says that network marketing gives ordinary people the opportunity with very low risk and low financial commitment to build their own income generating assets and acquire great wealth. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I'd prefer to take advice from a successful entrepreneur than my friend or my uncle who tried it and refused to learn from it. Now, the last, but certainly not the least, 5th important fact on things you should know about my business is you will make mistakes. And it's okay. That's how you learn. If you should fail at any network marketing business or any business venture, for that matter, learn from it. I tell my children that failure must happen for you to learn. A child must fall as he or she learns to walk. You must fall off the bike a few times as you're learning to ride a bike. You see, our education system, right from home, frowns upon failure. It focuses on the ticks and fails to encourage the learning. That's why Mr. Kiyosaki calls our education system fake teachers. Because in the real world, you must fail to learn to succeed. Now, for all you network marketers out there, if you feel you're not going anywhere with your business, if your network of friends and family have stopped answering your calls or texts, if you've got no engagement from your imaginary audience, sounds familiar, remember this, you are not a tree. You can move. You can promote another product, a real product. Research what people need right now. You can find a team which is experiencing massive rankings. You're not a quitter. You're not a failure. You're a learner. Jesus said, "My people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge." So please keep learning. Well, thank you guys and gals for hopping on here and investing a little bit of your internet data to hear me ramble on. So a couple of shout outs to those that have just jumped on. Hey Rich, how are you, brother? Thanks for coming on. Zik, how are you, bro? Lemba, Bula. And for the rest of you guys that's gonna jumping on during the replay, hi Anafa. For those of you that's gonna watch this on the replay, don't forget to comment. Look guys, if you found good value in something like this tonight, click on the notification bell, like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts by commenting below. Hi Anna. And of course, if you'd like more information on how you can start using your own laptop or smartphone to start an online business, comment info below or direct message me. In the words of Jay-Z, I'm not a businessman, I am the business, man. So this is Fred from Fiji. Have a lovely evening with your loved ones and an amazing, purposeful week. Till the next video, sotatale.